This tree towers above entire rainforests and stuffs your pillows. Meet the kapok tree, Ceiba Pentandra, a sacred colossal giant of the tropics, draped in buttress roots taller than a person and crowned with a canopy that can shade over 700 square meters. Growing up to 4 meters a year, the kapok can reach 70 meters tall and live for over 500 years. Its seed pods burst open to release silky kapok fiber, 8 times lighter than cotton and 5 times more buoyant than cork. During World War II, this fiber filled life preservers and aviator jackets. A single mature tree can produce up to 4,000 fruit pods each year, yielding around 20 kilograms of fiber per harvest. At night, its waxy flowers open to release a musky scent, calling in bats and moths to pollinate them. Plant at the start of your rainy season and give it full sun. This is a pioneer species that craves light. Space it at least 15 to 20 meters from any structure, because its buttress roots can extend 10 meters or more from the trunk base. Water well during establishment, but once mature, it stores water in its trunk and handles dry spells with ease. Do plant kapok for reforestation. Its fast growth and pioneer nature make it ideal for restoring degraded tropical land. Do pair it with shade-loving crops like cacao and coffee in agroforestry systems. But don't plant it near buildings or roads. Those buttress roots will cause damage. And don't attempt it in frost-prone areas. It cannot survive extended cold below 10 degrees Celsius. The Maya called it the world tree. Its roots in the underworld, its branches holding up the heavens. Centuries later, it still connects worlds, sheltering thousands of species, providing natural fiber, and reminding us how one tree can shape an entire ecosystem. Restore, protect, inspire.